This is Awada, a suburb in Obosi. Obosi is under Idemili North local government in Anambra State. So I visited this popular residential area on Monday, being the sitter's home, to go and see how the place is looking like before the year 2024 runs out. So this is how everywhere is currently looking like. This is the looks of Awada this period. So Awada have many entrance, and out of those many entrance is the MCC junction side, which I access it from, and it also has another major entrance from Owerri Road side by Tazan junction. So coming from MCC is where you have the Ozala layout. From there you start heading to where they call the Ukebu, from Ukebu to other side. So this is just a glimpse of the residential area, not a full tour. So but I'm gonna be making a full tour of this place if I could be able to get up to 200 likes on this video, and maybe get enough requests to go back and make a full video by next year, January. I will put it on the list of my first videos. So I won't be talking much on the video due to it's not a full tour, so I won't be talking much. So Awada is a very popular residential area within Onitsha environment, though under Obosi. So Awada has most, is majorly occupied by total buildings. Like you can see in the video, it has 3-story building, 2-story building, 4-story building, and 5-story building. This is where you're gonna find them the most. And from what you see and what we have been hearing, I think is the most populated residential area within Onitsha and the Obosi environment. So Awada has many features, but talking about the cost of living, general cost of living, cost of apartment, availability of electricity, water, and the rest of them, this is what we're going to be discussing. If possible, we could be able to go back for a full tour, if we can get up to 200 likes and enough requests to do that. But if not, then maybe whenever we are ready for it, we can still go back. So just watch through the video and see the looks of Awada this 2024/2025, because within few days or few weeks we're gonna be crossing over to 2025. So see the looks of Awada, and kindly drop your comment what you feel about the area. What is need to be done. Can you stay in this area if you happen to relocate to Onitsha environment? And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kindly click on the like button, kindly click on the share button so others can see and also watch, and also so our channel will keep on growing. Thank you guys for the massive love and the other things. Do have a wonderful day till we meet again in our next update. Don't stop watching the video, please. Continue with the video to see everything for yourself.